we got this Sanrio box at World Market for $34.95. It is a Hello Kitty mystery box. I've never actually seen mystery boxes at stores. Usually people just buy them online. So I was very excited to get this. My nieces are over here today. They saw it sitting on the counter and they want to see what's inside. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, girls? No, they don't want to be on camera, so that's fine. We'll just focus on the box. So,
camera today.
Open up the box. Oh, and oh my God!
Right, so these are. We're gonna do one thing at a time.
All right, those three.
This is the stuff we get at the mall.
No, mine. Back off.
Isn't this the one where it has like a glass ball in the middle?
You pop it down.
You pop it down.
I
want this.
Cool. All right, this looks like.
No, let's just. You can open it.
That looks like a gummy hand.
That is cool.
This looks like. It says plum chewing candy.
Nothing's Japanese.
This is, I think it looks like a sucker of some sort.
Do you want to open?
This looks like a cookie.
You want to throw your gum away so you can do some taste tests?
Yeah.
Let's see. I want to see the top of this.
Okay.
So you just push that down.
Freak, I don't know how this works.
Well, maybe.
Haley does it all the time.
Haley, come do this bottle. Abby's not.
No, I want to learn how to do it.
Haley, show Abby how it works.
How do I do it? I just press this down?
No.
Don't do it yourself.
Oh, she pushed it through.
That makes sense.
Okay.
And then you do it. And you just like hit it.
Okay.
You have to hit it. Give me it.
Oh, there you go. That was really
And
cool.
then it's opened.
And then where'd the ball go?
It's right there. The only way to get it out is we have to break the glass.
You don't get it out.
I want it.
Oh, I see it. It's right there. And does that just mix it up? Why is there a ball in it?
I have no idea.
It just still keep it close.
We're not Japanese or Chinese. We can't read it.
What does it taste like? Abby,
like alcohol.
Abby has the terrible look on her face.
All right, this looks like some kind of fizzy thing you put in a water. It looks like you put it in a drink.
Okay.
Oh, this is a KitKat.
The flavored ones are better.
Almond and.
Here, I'm gonna try this.
Can you show Jenny?
The ones at the mall that are like strawberry taste better. It doesn't really have any flavor. It's just.
Which one is this?
God.
Let me try.
That tastes like flat soda.
It doesn't taste like the ones at the mall.
This is Ramoon soda.
This is wafer cookies.
Well,
it's green tea.
It's just not flavored.
Green tea.
You will not like green tea. I can tell you that right now.
This is carbonated soft drink. It don't taste bad.
This is chocolate.
Holly is the only one who likes the carbonated
another one.
beverage.
Is that the strawberry?
No,
strawberry?
you okay? Go ahead and open it. That's all.
No, you do them at the mall all the time.
Abby, you opened the last one.
Yeah, but I opened the bad one. She technically opened it.
Oh my God.
Here's some more KitKats.
Kids.
There's all. Oh, this one looks like.
That one looks really good.
This is a different type of KitKat. I can't tell what that is.
It's sublime. Chocolatory.
These are rice crackers, strawberry cookies.
Totally ruining the video, girls.
And here's. Oh, I want one of these.
The box is really nice.
Chocolate coated.
Okay. Those look good.
I want to try those.
Open that up. We'll try those.
Abby, seriously, give me.
All right. You want to try it? KitKat, give your opinion. This is girls fighting. You're on my video fighting.
Give me it, Jenny.
Abby, it is fair. Ow.
You're gonna break my ankle.
It's fair for Haley to open it because you opened one. It's now Haley's turn.
Haley, if you let go now, then it will break.
Holly, discipline your girls.
That's what my dad's for. Wait, Haley, wait, let me try something.
Those look like moon pie.
This is the look of a frustrated mother.
Haley, why you don't?
Is it like a moon pie? Yeah. Okay.
I was the one who found it.
I want to be on camera opening it, Jenny.
I don't.
Here, Haley, wait, I have an idea.
Oh, what am I supposed to use now? I'll use this KitKat.
What are you doing?
Don't. That's.
Give me it, Abby.
I'll put my hand over and you smash on my hand.
Yes, because then you can break her hand. Do that.
I don't understand.
I want first taste then.
Very good.
Yay.
That took 5 minutes of debating who got to do that.
That one tastes good. It's the strawberry one.
Does it taste good, Abby?
No, it does not.
There's nothing wrong with that one.
Haley, what do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Okay.
There is absolutely nothing wrong with that one.
What flavor is that one?
Strawberry.
And
Do you
this
want it,
one
Jenny?
This was a.
What does that look like? That's the KitKat. Did you think What did you think that fruit on top? Was that a cranberry? Does it taste like cranberry?
Cranberry or strawberry, but I don't. It doesn't look
Can I
like
open
cherry
something?
more. Cherries or cranberries.
Jenny, we're
Does
trying
it, what does it
something.
taste like?
Can't tell.
Okay.
We're eating
Okay, Abby, what does that taste like? That looks really
good.
good. It looks like bubble gum. It looks like you're dipping your cracker into bubble gum. What does it
Here,
taste
here,
like?
try it.
French fry.
Strawberry. Different
Strawberry? All right, I'll try that. All right. Is the KitKat good though?
Mhm.
Oh my god, that is good. You know,
strawberry
strawberry
ice
ice.
cream.
You know Jenny's never gonna invite you to do another mystery box, right?
That's
Try,
true.
try this.
You guys are banned.
Yeah. Yes, you can open anything you want.
Can we smash this so we can get the marble out?
I'm getting
No.
crumbs.
Jenny,
Nope.
I'm sorry for embarrassing my family on your video.
It was actually Abby. Abby's the problem child. All right, what else do we want to try? I want to see what this is. I want to see what. Open this one.
You have to eat it. You opened it.
Sorry. You have
It's
to.
a sucker.
The mushroom-looking
It's a
sucker.
sucker. I didn't know it was a sucker. I thought it was just
I'm gonna try
chocolate
it.
on a stick.
Watch
You
out.
try it.
Okay, it's
Is it
chocolate
hard?
on a stick.
I know it's not just a sucker. I'll eat it later.
Oh, Abby does not like anything.
Wait, I want to see
What
it.
was that?
The garbage is in the
Is it bubble gum?
closet. Garbage is in the closet.
No, I'm chewing one right now.
What is that?
What do you think it tastes like?
Just fruity.
It's like fruity dough. Like fruity dough.
Are you sure it's not gum?
No, because it's dissolving. It's not staying in your
This
mouth
is really
where you can
good.
chew
You want to take
it.
a bite of that?
No, it's disgusting.
Jan said the Kit Kats were really good.
Watch, I'm gonna try this one.
All right, you try that one.
Let's try the gummy too.
Try the gummy.
She's not getting anything left.
It's
It's
fine.
fine.
Look at that. It's purple. The Kit Kat or it's like.
Oh, hers is different.
Do you like anything, Abby?
Good.
That's good. All right.
Did you steal the rest of my Kit Kat?
Yeah, I just stole the second part of the Kit Kat.
Give me the star. I want the star.
Oh, I wanted this.
Then I'll get the hand. I'll take the whole hand.
All right.
See her wrapper compared to this one.
Wow.
This tastes more raspberry. This tasted raspberry.
It's called Sublime.
It was very good.
Hey guys,
See what this is.
what's up? Scares here.
That's good.
Is that like? No. Here, do not hit people with something you're gonna eat. Is it like a gummy bear?
Take a
Yeah,
bite.
actually good.
Jenny, do you have water in the fridge?
Yes. No.
No.
Next. That is really good.
Oh my god, you guys, we don't have to open everything.
Yeah, we
You
do.
told me to.
No, I know that you said open every little
No, we
thing.
need to open this still.
No.
Is that sour? That looks like it's really sour. No. Here, let me try a bite.
Oh my god, who
Oh.
opened this? Did you try that?
That's really
the
good.
thing they said is like
That
no.
is really good.
It tastes like those.
We're opening
airhead
everything.
things.
What are you doing?
Yeah, it's like an airhead,
What
but
is
it's not
this?
sour.
That you put in a drink. We're not.
Do not
opening
open that one.
Wait, I want the green tea stuff.
That's
What do you
not
think?
bad.
The chocolate one. The green
What do you
one's
think that is?
disgusting.
I couldn't think of something to describe it. They're like these little white
Hey, Bob.
balls.
Bob, come try this.
You think that's gum, but
We
it's
got these little
not.
white balls. We need you to try them. That's. Okay.
They're not.
I don't know what
That
We're
does.
just trying
That
to-
really does look like gum.
We're just trying to think of a way to describe. They're not bad. You think they're gum, but it's not.
Oh my god, you like this?
Yeah, it's so good.
This is Holly's. That's a good look, Holly, right there.
Oh my god.
We don't like pink icing.
I
No pink icing,
I don't
probably.
think Bob likes that ball. Look at it.
Oh my god. Bob says no to that.
Here, Bob, try this. This is even worse. Here, try this. This is even worse. No, it's not.
This is actually good.
That is not. How can you,
It's kind of like a.
Jenny? How can you possibly say that is good?
It's
Because
like
I
the
like
Nutella.
icing.
That is so.
It's strawberry
Did you say that's like Nutella?
It's absolutely not like Nutella. It's like strawberry
That is
icing.
the most disgusting thing I've ever had. Isn't that awful?
It's kind of after.
Yes.
Weird
Yes.
aftertaste.
It's like. Oh,
So what do you think of the pink icing?
it's like plastic or
No,
something.
you haven't tried this.
Robert's like, I'm not playing this party. What was this? What we open
You're
this?
drinking this one.
Oh, they're the poppy stick things. Wafer
What's that?
cookies.
Open
They're
that.
the wafer cookies.
Oh, those were good.
It's like plastic.
You want one?
Okay, I want to try them.
I haven't
Try
tried
both of them. We all did.
Oh, you're gonna like that.
What are we doing?
They
That's
actually
good.
are okay.
These
They're
are
okay.
really good.
This is carbonated.
I think that one's bad, but this one's kind of
You
good.
just struck one.
That one is not
should
bad
get
at
out.
all. That one is.
All right.
It's not bad. I promise you. I like that one.
We're done
This is carbonated.
snacking.
Yeah, that doesn't have a weird.
I'd say it's a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. So really, we liked everything except for the sodas.
The sodas are okay.
I like the soda. It's
This
so good.
Okay.
this is
Okay, so no one can agree on anything.
This is actually good.
Some people like that. Some people do not like that.
There's
I
nothing
hate
wrong
that.
with
But
it.
everybody
They like
like these things.
Everybody likes the
No.
wafer cookies. You like the wafer cookies?
Yeah,
Those are
that's
good.
not the green tea one.
No, they didn't open it.
You want the
No.
green tea one?
They're not. We'll try it later.
You're disgusting.
Oh my God, Abby!
It has a weird aftertaste.
Mm-hmm.
Abby,
I'm not to say it.
Abby, say one thing that you
This
like.
one you don't like?
It's so good.
She liked the gummy hand. That was about it. Is that pretty much all you like?
And that.
Yeah, this is fine. This is good.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good.
And the KitKat that you stole because you're mean.
It was a good KitKat, and I did pay for this, so I have every right to steal it all. Here, eat that KitKat. You'll like that one.
Ew.
Jan can't decide if it's cherry or cranberry. So, what is your opinion?
Cranberry.
Here we go. Here we go.
Let me try
All
it.
right, Haley. Cherry or cranberry?
I don't taste any fruit.
You don't taste any fruit.
Okay, wait.
Wait, no.
Glad I
Cranberry.
don't lemon drip.
Cranberry?
Okay, Bob, you're trying this. Oh, what are you doing?
Oh my God, you guys make the best faces. You make the best faces.
I've liked everything so far.
Holly?
The Kit Kat.
The cherry, this one that you liked.
Here, would you like a facial expression from me?
Yes, give me a good one.
Yeah, but-
Do the.
That's so good.
That was good. You could be an actress.
That Kit Kat is not good.
That is.
Okay, so that is funny. No one can agree on anything. Some people like the Kit Kat, some people
It's
don't.
because it's dark chocolate.
That Kit Kat is not good at all.
But I liked it, and Jan liked it. Do you see what I'm saying?
Fruit.
No one agreed on anything. So,
Have people
all right,
made
I
it
need
this
that
far
one.
into
Go buy
the
your own
video?
box.
Or
What?
Have people made it this far into the video? Or are they tired of
yeah, it's 12 minutes of like, thank you for putting up with this. We cannot give you a definite opinion if it's worth it because some people liked it and some people didn't.
I left it all.
You loved it all. Haley's the
didn't?
most easygoing of it.
You didn't like that soda.
That's fine. It's just carbonated.
I could drink it
Well,
all
you guys
day.
can't drink it without spilling
The
it.
marble
Every
is stuck
time
in the
someone
top,
drinks
so
it, they
nothing
spill
came
it.
out.
All right, that's it. Thanks for
Thank
watching.
you.
Bob,
Say
wait.
bye.
We gotta do the impossible
Bye.
challenge,
Say-
trying to get this off.
Is that what you're gonna do? No.
Okay,
No.
Bob, try and
All
get
right.
Wait, can I tell them something?
What do you want to tell them?
I'm meeting Tom Holland October 13th.
She is.
In
She
Chicago.
is. And I will get video, not of that because they won't allow it,
No.
but I will record that trip.
And,
It should be
and I'm
interesting.
getting to hug Thor. Like this.
See,
Like
me and
this.
Bob both want the marble. I need a knife.
All right, $34.95 World Market. I'm trying to push this box down. There you go. Thanks for watching.
We need a fork.